Sanam Guruchander, can you tell us what the theme of the month is for October?
Satnam, the theme of the month for October is mastering the 10th body. The planet is the sun.
And how do you use this information for growth and transformation in your life?
To master the sun energy gives you your radiant self, and will give you the mudra and some meditations in order to help you with this.
Can you show us the breath and a mudra that would help align with the energy for this month of October?
Well, breath of fire is the best breath. If you cannot do that, then close off your left nostril and breathe through your right nostril.
We'd just like to let everyone know that this short version will be posted on our Purest Potential YouTube channel, and the full report, which includes Kabam, which Guruchander will explain what it is available to Purest Potential members. What is Kabam, Guruchander?
Kabam is initials, Kriya breath, affirmations, asanas, mudras, mantras, and meditations. So the skeletal structure of Kundalini Yoga gives you many avenues in order to achieve mastery over these planetary influences. What does that mean? It means there's dharma and no karma. How's that translate into English? There's ease instead of dis-ease with these planetary influences.
So can you tell us anything else that would be helpful for the month of October, the 10th body?
Well, if we go through this very quickly, the Kriya would be in our website, and the set, one of the videos would be the first book, Mastery, Numerology for Self-Mastery in the 10th body, be Archer Pose, Kundalini Lotus, I call it Scarecrow Pose. It's short, it's 12 minutes. That's the Kriya. The breath, again, would be through breath of fire, and I would hold the mudra, and I would use Surya mudra, which means sun, and I would do breath of fire or right nostril breathing. The asana, archer pose, 3 minutes each side. Affirmation, I am radiant now, and then I would go for the mudra and mantra. The mudra we've already given you. The meditation would be to concentrate on your breath, or do the mudra and chant Gobinde Mukande Udare Apare Hariyang Karing Diname Akame. Satnam, blessings to you, and have a great 10th month.